Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you this awesome Phanteks Enthoo EVOLV ITX case, which can house a mini-ITX motherboard with anything from the budget build to all the way up to high-end builds with i7 core processors and even like something crazy like GTX Titan X. It can fit in just fine. It has clearance. It has a GPU clearance of 330 millimeters, which is basically any large GPU that exists today. And yeah, I'm going to go through the basics about what can you do with it. I'll show you the insides, but for more information about dimensions and stuff, you can always check out all the information in the description below the video. I'll try to cover as much as possible, but if I miss something out, you can find the measurements down below. So I removed some of the screws already to make it, to make this demonstration a bit quicker. But let me show you around. Let me start with the accessories that came with it. The accessories were packed away in these tiny boxes, all marked, and they were packed and they were placed inside. They weren't wobbling around. They were very well fixed inside when it arrived. And for the accessories, I'll talk about accessories a bit later, but this is the quick start guide. As you can see, everything is well illustrated and marked, so you can have a look at it and find all the information you need about how to do things with this case. This bag with screws, spare screws, thumb screws, hard drive mounting screws, motherboard mounting screws, and 4 zip ties. This is suitable for water cooling, so I'll show you all you need to know about water cooling as well. This is a hard drive bracket in case if you're going to water cool it. I'll show you a little bit later why you need this if you are water cooling it. And this is a pump mounting bracket with rubber feet down here and another rubber surface over here to reduce any vibration that your pump may be causing. And also this bracket here, they call it smart bracket. It was installed inside. I removed it, and I'll talk a little bit about it later. So let me show you. This one comes with a window, with a side window, and thumb screws. It was fixed here. Let me show you the thumb screw. It's something that I think all of the manufacturers should do right now. As you can see, it has this rubber ring. I would prefer it if it was harder rubber, but it's soft rubber. But still, it protects from any scratches that thumb screws leave on your PC case. And this is the way to go forward. To remove the side panel, you simply remove the thumb screws, which I've done already, and you slide and pull. Same from the back. Slide and pull. I'm going to remove it already so that you can see. And first of all, let me point out that this is a dust-proof case, so you won't have to worry about dust anymore, because all the places where you've got your intake fans are going to be protected. First of all, if you are a smart person, you will know that your power supply is best if it draws air not from the inside the case but from the bottom of the case. So make sure that you install your power supply with the fan facing downwards so that it can pull air, and it's not going to cause any problems because it has nice feet to keep this case off the ground, and it also has this removable dust filter, so you can just pull it, remove it, wash it, dry it, place it back inside. It houses up to a dual slot PCI Express graphics card, and as you can see, it has it doesn't have a fan at the back. Only one fan comes with it as standard. It comes at the front with a 250mm fan. But let me show you other things. So here, this line here is a LED that indicates that your PC is turned on. Also comes with two USB 3.0 and your mic and headphones connection. This little button here is reset, and the main power button is here at the top. The front panel is pretty easy to remove. You just pull on it and it's removed. As you can see, it's fixed by these guys here. So you remove it and it exposes the case from the front is covered with a dust filter as well. As you can see, everything is covered, so as I said, you won't have to worry about dust anymore. To remove the dust filter, you place your finger at the back of the case, you find where it's fixed, and you just you can pull it a little bit from the front, but don't go crazy. You need to push it out from the back. Push it out, and it's removed. You can wash it again, place it back, and you're good to go. So now let's get to talking about cooling. As I said, it comes with just one fan as standard, this big ass 250mm fan at the front. And you can either, if you're going for air cooling, you can either get another 140 or 120mm fan for the back, or you can go water cool. If you're going full water cooling, what you'll need this bracket, yeah. But let me talk about water cooling first, yeah. You can mount a up to 240mm radiator at the front, or a 280, up to 280, or another 240 at the top. For the top, there is a special radiator mounting bracket. It was fixed as well. I removed the screws, which are easily removed. So this is the bracket. You place your radiator, slide it back in, secure the bracket. If you are worried about the cooling, where the air goes from the top, there are vents here and there are vents here to allow air to escape. So now the important part, where you have to make some compromise if you are going to water cool this thing. Basically, this is the hard drive cage to house two hard drives. And if you are going to water cool it, the only place to actually place your pump is down here. Instead, you have to replace the drive cage with the pump bracket, and basically that leaves you without hard drives. Well, you'd think so, but not exactly, because you still have the option of SSD, so you mount your SSD here, but you still have the option to have a hard drive as well. And this is where this guy comes in. First of all, it will display the Phanteks logo at the front, and this guy goes in here. It's fixed like that, and it uses 4 thumb screws like this. 4 thumb screws, 2 thumb screws here at the front and 2 at the back. You can place it here, and that's when you use your hard drive cage, hard drive bracket. You move, basically what you do, you move these screws into place for the hard drive where they are marked. So as you can see, if you can't get it to focus, I'm sorry, I can't get it to focus, but they are marked. Basically these holes are marked. It says hard drive. So you just move the screws, and then you place the bracket like so and place it back in. So even if you're water cooling it, you still have the option to have one SSD and one hard drive. So you can go with the fast SSD, something like 250 gigabytes or 500 gigabytes for your games, and still have up to 4 terabytes of storage on the hard drive. So yeah, that is quite cool. Basically, the way I think about it, Phanteks thought of everything here. Every compromise that you can do it with this case. And it is fully modular, meaning that you can undo all the screws and literally take this thing apart. Take this thing apart, put it back together, drill some holes, cut some holes, which is basically good for modding as well. As you can see at the back here, the cable management has been done as well. So they are neatly tied with these zip ties, but they're also one place where you can use your zip ties. You can use it here as well, another one here. So there are places where you can use your zip ties that come with this case. I think that is all. I think I've covered all the basics. It is a very good case, a very nice one that can be used in your living room, even for media entertainment center in your living room, or you can use it to create your custom steam machine. So basically, yeah, this is a very good case. I highly recommend it for anyone building on to anyone who wants to build a mini-ITX PC. And yeah, a very good looking one. I hope you enjoyed this video. If it helped you, you can always leave a like. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section down below, or share your opinion. What do you think of this case? Are you using it, or are you looking into getting one? Let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next one. RG out.